Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, going to show you how to animate image to video in Canva. So first up, open your Canva and create a new project. Now here, you can basically upload your image. Just click on it and then click on Upload Files. And then choose the image that you want to use. Now in this case, I'm going to select this image as an example. So drag and drop to the frame, as you can see. Then what we're going to do here is go to the apps section and then go to the search box and type right here, Animate. Now you need to choose this option here, which is the image animate. Third one, so click on this. Now from here, you just need to click on the open button. Once done, you will find these options. So basically here in this page, you just need to customize it. So for example, the motion range, I'm going to decrease this one into 3. The motion length will be 3 seconds. The number of loop will be 1. And motion tool will be AI motion. And then click on generate. And finally here, just have to click on the add to design. So click on it. And then here you can now delete the first image that we have just uploaded. And then we can just readjust the size. So there you go. And then if we're going to play, so this is the result. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.